In this second grade small group video, what you're going to do is you'll start off with counting rope and equations, place value clues, and then finish up with skip counting by tens. Just like yesterday with their counting rope, let them do that independently. See how well they do. If today's the 24th, then moving my beads until I get to a 24, and then have each student record on a sticky note or marker board, even on the table is fine, 2 or 3 equations, and try to get them to go get something different than the other people at their group. And so try and go past something like 23 plus 1, like just really using their rope to come up with some cool ones. In this case, this would be 20 plus 4. After that, then you're going to do place value clues. Each person needs their 0 to 30 chart or 1 to 30 chart. The first clue for today is that the number is less than 20, so it also cannot be 20. We're going to cross off everything above that. 100% of the digits are odd. When we say 100%, that means all of the digits are odd. So anywhere that we see an even digit would get crossed off. If they start to notice, look at that, these are all in a line together, that's a really cool thing for them to start to see that pattern on the chart. After that, the digit in the ones place is the number of days in a week. How many days are in a week? You'd be surprised at how many of them don't know that, but using your calendar. And so the digit in the ones place needs to be a 7. So it would either be 7 or 17 for this clue. So we can cross off anything without that 7 in the ones place. And then last, the digital root of the number is 8. So that means if I add the digits together, I get 8. 7 plus nothing is just 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. So if we did it correctly, our answer to the mystery number is 17. After that, then they will get this sheet, skip counting by tens. It's the stairs. The front is quite a bit easier than the back. Take your time with this. I would not get probably past the front today with them. I mean, if they do, that's great, but I would be surprised if they did. And with this, again, it's just going up those stairs. They have a tricky time when it's going backward. So something like this, where it's 50. I know this is 60, but now what? Well, let's look at the pattern. There's a 6, 5 in the tens place. So this is going to have a 4, 3, 2, 1, then a 0 behind it. So just noticing, well, how could I solve that? What are the patterns I do see with what I do already know? And then if they're ready to move on to the back, great. Otherwise, save it for another day this week.